kind of ties in with the food that we're about to get into, is that a lot of us don't cook anymore, right? We order in. And why this is a problem is not just because it's unhealthy food cooked in God knows what, gotten from God knows what, etc., etc. You don't know the ingredients. That's obvious. What people don't know is that when you are cooking and there is smells, these smells cause your digestive system to start to get going, right? When you're smelling the food that you're cooking, right? And so even in a restaurant, you kind of get this a little bit if you can smell the food, is that your digestive system is getting prepared to eat. So your digestive enzymes are revving up and your body is getting ready to break down the food. This is also why sitting in front of the TV is really bad, because for a lot of us, when we sit in front of the TV, we're not consciously aware that we're eating. Our brain does not know that we're eating. And so our digestive enzymes haven't revved up enough to break down the food. And that's why you'll then get bloated or an upset stomach after you eat. It's not because you can't eat that food. It's because your body wasn't prepared to get a load of food dumped on its digestive system. It takes your digestive system, funnily enough, about 20 minutes to warm up before it's ready to get food from you, right? So especially if you're about to have like a large quantity with a bunch of different things. So when you are cooking, and you're cooking generally speaking for at least 20 minutes, your digestive system is warming up to like, okay, food is coming. So when you have been cooking, let's say then you go down and eat to the sofa, sit down on the sofa and eat in front of the TV, it's maybe not as bad as if you ordered takeout because your digestive system is aware food is coming. But the issue then comes in this situation. I'm like, okay, there's digestive enzymes to break down the food. The issue that then can happen for you that can cause the bloating and also then the eating issues, right? Especially like overeating, is that if your brain is not aware, I am eating food, it doesn't register, I am eating food, which is why you then don't get full. It needs to literally, like, you need to be seeing and registering, I am eating food, for your body to actually get full. And a lot of us just sit and look at the TV and we're just shoving food in. You couldn't even tell me what was your last mouthful of food because you wouldn't remember, because you're not consciously aware of what you're doing. This is why when we go to Europe and it's this slower food situation and we're looking at what we're eating and we're having conversations, obviously the quality of the food is far superior in Europe compared to like America, let's say. Australia also has way better food. So that's like one side of it. But the second side of it is that you are aware of the food that you're eating. This is also why a lot of us will find that we eat less at a restaurant, because we are aware of the food that we are eating. We are looking at the food, right? Unless you're super absorbed in the conversation, you are consciously aware of it. Okay. So leaving that there,